What's up, YouTube? We back over here at Pokeland, and our objective today is to finish the front of the property with the Areca Palms. So I got my my ride or die with me today, my wife, and I got my father-in-law here with me, and we are going to get some work done today. Came here early this week because next week I won't be able to come to the property because I have to take Optimus. You don't know who Optimus is, aka our travel trailer. Our battery died on it, and they want us to bring it in. It's under warranty, so they want us to bring it in and get it looked at to see why the battery is actually dying, because it's actually hooked up to the solar panels on the top of the roof. So so we got to go drop that off on Friday. So that's what we'll do this week. So this upcoming week, so I won't get a chance to come back out here to Pokeland to do any work. So today we're just going to get it done. So also, we didn't get a chance to stop at Home Depot to get the paint for the top of this, so I won't be painting this today. We're just gonna be putting the Areca Palms in. Today's gonna be a quick day. It did rain, and it's supposed to rain again, so we kind of want to get out of here before. But I'll come back over here and give you guys let you guys see the trees, how they're doing pretty good. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and start putting these Areca Palms in the ground. We have about 15 of them up there in the front that we need to get in there, and that's the plan today. So I'll go ahead and get started. All right, guys, so we went ahead and put all the plants, well, all of the Areca Palms in the front. We closed it off on this side. Started from this one right here today. We was missing 4, so we put those 4 in. Josie already put the mulch on those, so they're ready to go. We just need to water them. And then on this side over here, I just put all of these in the ground. Didn't take me that long either. I just dug the hole with the auger and just threw them in there, put the topsoil in there, and I put some that Miracle Grow in-ground soil, all-purpose. So yeah, so now all we're gonna do now is mulch this up and start watering. All right, guys, so I put all those palm trees in, so I'm done with that. So now we're back over here at the beds. You can see the sun hemp. Josie's over there watering the palms up here in front, and then I'm gonna water these sun hemps right here, garden beds. They're getting a lot taller than what they were. So yeah, so far so good, guys. It looks pretty good. And then I'm gonna make my way onto the back. I'm gonna go ahead and start counting the sides of the property to see exactly how many feet that is all the way down to the end. And I'll know when I start next month on putting in the palm trees for the other side, then I know exactly how many I need. It was about roughly 34 across the front over here. 34 all the way across the front, and you can see, guys, that looks good. I'm really happy with these Areca Palms. So I'm gonna go ahead and start counting over here and see what we got, starting from this point right here. So it's about 200 feet, guys. So let's divide that by 6, and that will give me how many palms I would need to put over here. Well, while I'm over here, I can go ahead and give you guys an update on my avocado trees. So they go right here. Some of it burnt off at the top, but that was happening before we even got the well. That was one of them. Here's the second one right here. They're gonna get a good watering today. I think it rained, I believe it rained yesterday, last night anyway, or early this morning, but can't really tell. But I'm gonna, it's not really that wet out here, so I don't know. We're gonna water anyway just because we're here. So that lychee tree right there is gonna actually come out. I'm gonna take it out. I think it's already stunted. This one right here, this one's doing okay. Has new leaves on it, so it does have some new growth. So I'm gonna touch these up today by putting some more wood chips around it, mulch it up, make a cup around it so I can keep the water in, and we'll water this one today as well. Now, so these right here, all of my papaya trees right here, I have 3 right here. I mean, they don't look too bad. Can't really tell. Take this off now. Go ahead and take this off. I had this on there, guys, because the bugs, the squirrels or something was eating them, and you can see right here they damaged the side of it right there. But you can see the canopy on the top is actually growing. So I don't know. I mean, I've had trees like that. Like you can cut off the whole top of it, and it will come back and give you more papayas. So I mean, it's not like it's dead. But I think I kind of stunted the growth on these because when I put them out here a few months ago, we didn't have the well, and we couldn't really water them that much. So we was just coming out here and watering whatever water we could bring from the RV park up the street. So I think I'm going to replace all 6 of these trees. 1, 2, 3, 4. One of them died already because the squirrels was eating it up. It was right there in that middle spot. It's gone. So all 6 of these, I'm just gonna leave them here for now. But I already have some at home that I'm growing. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let the ones at home grow till they're about 4.5, 5 feet. And then I will bring them out here and put them in the ground. So I think these right here, they got stunted and they couldn't handle the drought of not having too much water. So these banana plants right here are doing awesome. As you can see, they're doing pretty good too. But this is the blue Java banana tree right there. You can see got new growth at the top, so that one's doing pretty good. That's another one right there that I got from Lowe's. This is the one from my backyard. You can see got new growth coming out the top. But I'm gonna mulch this one up good too. This is actually my favorite banana right here, guys. This is my Cavendish dwarf. This one right here, I believe, is one of my Cavendish dwarf too. I think I bought this one from Lowe's too, but it was a Cavendish dwarf. So it's gonna be like the one I have at home. And this one right here as well. This one came out the backyard at home for sure. So I love this variety right here, guys. These bananas are fantastic. And here's another blue Java. You can see this one looks like it's doing pretty good too, and it has a new leaf coming out the top, so some new growth. So it's doing pretty good. All right, guys, so I'm just over here watering up these the sun hemp now. This is the last. I'm on the last 2 right now, and then Josie's gonna take over and she's gonna go back to the avocados and start watering those. And then I'm just gonna put down some more mulch around the around some of the trees back there, like the avocado trees and stuff like that. So, but yeah, other than that, guys, I mean, everything's looking pretty good over here. I'm pretty happy with how this looks. How everything looks over here. So I mean, we got some growth in the beds, so that's good. All right, guys, so I was saying about we're gonna have a trail over here. So what I was thinking was starting right here by this well, I'm gonna decorate something around this well to where you can walk around here. So we'll be able to walk around here all the way around. So we're gonna measure this right now to see how far we off, because I have to buy these I'll put it on the screen. I have to buy this right here, and they come in 60 feet, and you don't have to dig them. You can just put them on the ground, and you can use these spikes that they use that you put in there to put them in the ground, and it creates like a border. So that's what I'm going to use. And let's see, I'm waiting on Josie. Right here, we're going to start going this way, so start measuring. Here, you hold this.
You can write them down.
I'm just going to count with my feet. I'm just going to take some steps. Get on this side. Right.
You need your own camera person.
All right, so we're going to measure this way. Just going to count some steps. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, not gonna be exactly the same, but thinking we're gonna walk this way through the path right here, right? So we'll have the palm trees on this side, and then we'll have some type of I don't know, some type of other vegetation over here and something in the middle. But the thing I was saying that we're gonna have to split is right here. We're gonna have that that plastic border going right here all the way through. So this is 40. So this is 60 right here, which is that one row that I just showed you on the screen. So we want to go all the way down the middle of all these trees. So let's just keep going. 1, 2. I mean, do we want to go all the way down, or do we want to just cut it right here by the berry house?
Yeah, probably.
So
We don't need to go.
cut it right here?
Yep.
So this was about 60 right here.
Yep. And then you
So
counted.
we'll wrap it around here, that one line right here is 60, and then we'll buy the other one to go back around. So then we'll start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. And then we want to swoop back in this way just a little bit, right? So 37, 38, 39, 40. 1, 2, about 34 feet right here. That was 40. So that's 74 feet plus the 60, right?
Yeah.
So it's 134.
Yeah, over the 120.
It was 134.
Yeah.
Yeah, 134. Back around that way. So that's what we need. We need two rows of that to go around this way, because all this is going to be is a big circle. You know what I mean? It's going to be a big circle with that border going all the way around. We got to buy those spikes, put them in the ground, and then we'll have the border at least in the middle. And then in the middle, we can put some more ground cover in there. We're going to stay away from the grass right now. We're going to put some ground cover in there. And then over here on this side is what the citrus trees would be all over here. And over here, like I said, we can put some cover crops in here, or some ground cover, I mean, over here. And fill it all, you know, just fill it all in and put some mulch in the ground cover. Sounds good?
Yep.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right. All right.
Good
Let's get out of
planning.
here then. All right, guys. So if you guys haven't liked and subscribed, please do. We appreciate it. That's how we grow the channel. So if you can, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. And you guys have a great week, and we'll see you guys on the next one later. Peace.